Okay, so we're going to do some sinus relief from home. First, we're going to start off with our dominant hand, grabbing some cream. You could do lotion or oil. We're going to apply the lotion to the non-dominant hand. Got just a little too much. After you spread the cream, we're going to use the thumb and the pointer finger to add direct pressure to the tips of each finger. You're going to want to do medium to deep pressure here. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds for each. After applying the pressure to the tips, we are then going to stroke each individual finger, again with medium to deep pressure. You can really work it as long as you want, for about a minute a finger is what I would say. Just getting in those crevices, working it out. You want to make sure you're using that deep pressure too to hit those points. Get them stimulated. Just work as needed. And then that is it.